Nanaimo. Nanaimo is located in Canada. It is in the central part of the island on the east coast, located 55 kilometers away from Vancouver, where we will start our journey. Here is Chris, our MVP, most valuable pilot. He will take us on a journey to Vancouver Island. In front of us lies the Lionsgate Bridge, and over yonder is the Georgia Strait. Nanaimo has a variety of biomes, such as the coastal bluff, which includes rocky shorelines, rocky islets, and steep coastal cliffs, often covered by grass, forbs, mosses, and lichens. Nanaimo is not even close to being isolated to the rest of the world. The daily non-stop ferry trips bringing plenty of cars and people and trucks, full of goods, departures hourly. Nanaimo has a huge industry of pulp and paper mills. However, it has a huger industry of fishing. For hundreds of years, Nanaimo was primarily a coal town. Nanaimo is a hub for taking passengers to connect to destinations such as Comox and Tofino, and even the capital of British Columbia, Victoria. You can get there by taking the Highway 1, aka the Trans-Canada Highway, where it stops its journey across Canada. The nature. On the beautiful land of Nanaimo, there are native species such as ducks, herons, seagulls, bald eagle, black bear, cougars, and what we see at the moment, which are deer. Some of the introduced invasive species are American bulldogs, raccoons, gray squirrel, and even black slugs. The water has a rich sea life, such as seals, starfish, crabs, oysters, clams, and otters. Yo. The bedrock geology is Cretaceous, and with a gracious amount of sandstone, shale, conglomerate, and coal, and even volcanic rocks. Shopping. In Nanaimo, there's a variety of shopping, and there's such nice clothes, like, just for me.
Sur mon lit à bouffer sa langue en buvant trop mon whisky. Quant à moi, peu dormi, vie débris, mais j'ai dû dormir dans la gouttière où j'ai eu un flash. En 4 couleurs. Allez hop, un matin, une louloute est venue chez moi, poupée de cellophane, cheveux chinois.
I can finally see history and culture. This structure is in honor of Nanaimo coal mine workers from May 2nd, 1987. Nanaimo was first settled thousands of years ago by Coast Salish natives, but by the 19th century, it was taken over by the British Empire. This constantly burning Wellsbach gas lamp, which lighted the streets of Baltimore around 1880, was to serve as a constant reminder that Nanaimo streets were once lightened by gas. The memorial stands between the point of discovery and the pithead of the first commercial coal mine in BC. Front of the monument. And now, here is the back. Here is a picture of me modeling beside this wonderful sign. This sign reads, Nanaimo was founded as a coal mining settlement in 1852. Its most productive mine, number 1, opened in 1881. From the bottom of the main shaft, 1/2 mile south of here, a labyrinth of workers extended for miles under the sea. These operations were served also by a shaft on Protection Island at the harbor's entrance until number 1 closed in 1938. It was the oldest operating mine in the province. Secret organization of the world.
Here's the secret agent.
I hear he killed many men.
Now he has been sent to the courthouse, and he has to follow these 6 rules. Art.
Crappy art isn't limited to Vancouver, as you see here.
And we danced, and we cried, and we laughed, and had.
Behind me is another example of the wonderful art.
Had a really, really, really good time. Take my hand.
Yeehaw! Ride the elephant. Orca. Here is another display of the horrible art of Nanaimo. They don't even spin. As the native population has said, free art, take me home. But it'll never go home.
CTV reports.
Huh? CTV reports, Aiden Kiernan.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam.
Daily activities. The daily lifestyle of Nanaimo citizens is extravagant. Hiking, boating, kayaking, and mountain biking, and world-class scuba diving are everyday activities at the bustling waterfront.
People here don't have much to do. This is the 5th beer store we've seen today.
2, 3, 4, 5. Nanaimo is also well known for random things like shopping carts are a part of daily life in Nanaimo. We have found so many and so many unusual places.
Sorry. Oh.
Food. The food on the island is exceptional. It is always fresh, and there's a high amount of organic foods. The dining is exceptional and lavishly exciting. Nanaimo bars are a delicacy in this town. In fact, many of these Nanaimo bars are shipped from Vancouver to Nanaimo. They are wonderful tasty bars with chocolate on the top, icing in the middle, and coconut brownie on the bottom. Oh yeah.